Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be answering the question, what is harder, 70 kilos for 12 reps or 90 kilos for 5 reps? So what we'll discuss is my sort of history with tracking workouts, what is a 1 rep max, why I use it, and then I'll also give an answer to the question. If you're new here, I'm Kieran. I make videos on helping you to lean down whilst also documenting my own journey. I'm currently lean bulking at the moment and I'm making a series on that on my channel. So let's get into it. So here's a picture of me when I was 20 or 21 years old. And this picture was actually taken as part of a new Instagram page which me and my mates made, where basically we would post monthly updates on our gym progress. And this is my starting picture for January. And it's safe to say none of us were able to stick to it long enough to even do a February post. So this is something which I struggled to stick with consistently. And I wasn't tracking my workouts at all at this point. I hadn't even built the habit of going to the gym, and I didn't have like any specific targets in mind apart from just like build muscle or like get big. And the 1 rep max has been a really useful tool for me. So what is 1 rep max? It's the maximum weight that you can do for 1 rep. Now, does this mean that you have to attempt a 1 rep max at the gym just to like find out this number? And luckily the answer is no, because there is a formula. So before I get to the formula, why use a 1 rep max? Well, you can track your personal bests, which is great for motivation, and it sort of turns into a game where you're just trying to like beat your score. And you can also compare lifts for different weights, which is super handy because you don't always do the same weight. And let's say one session you're doing like 50 kilos and then you hit your upper rep target for like 8 reps, then the next week you up it to like 52.5 kilos. Well, how do you know like sort of how many reps to do? Well, you can use the 1 rep max. So what is the formula, and well, why do I use it? So the one I use is the Bazicki formula, and I basically only use this one is because it's the one that the app I have uses, the Strong app. This is the formula it uses to calculate the 1 rep maxes. There are loads of others, and it's not an exact science. It's just sort of a guide, really. But yeah, there are other formulas out there. This is just the one that I use. So what was the answer to the question of this video? So I put the numbers into a calculator. So 70 kilos for 12 reps is a 1 rep max of 101 kilos, and 90 kilos for 5 repetitions is also 101 kilos. So it's actually the same. And as I said, there are other formulas. So you can see uh, the 3 other ones on here, they actually calculate the 70 for 12 to be lower. But, just pick one and go with it. So if you want some help to basically calculate all these targets and your goals and to get some accountability on your own gym journey and hopefully leaning down and building some muscle, then you can click the first link in the description. Apart from that, that's everything for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.